So I bought these replacement headlights for this van, 2002 Dodge Ram van, 1500. It says they're brighter down road, whiter, light. Let's see. Looks like crap. Let's put the high beams on. High beams work a little better. But as you can see, the headlight assembly, the lens is all shot. So I bought new ones for 139 bucks on eBay. Let's install them. Looks way better. Way better. First thing you gotta do is take this grill off. Some Phillips screws. Yup, I've had it off before. That's how I know where they're at. That was easy. Some grills are a nightmare, not this one. Alright, let's see what's next. Gotta take this lens off. We gotta take this off. Another screw in there somewhere. Yep. I mean, I could have bought new bulbs. Maybe that would have worked, but the lenses are already shot. The bulbs are like 60 bucks. Spent 140. Get the whole new assembly. Alright, let's see what's left. I'll leave this unplugged then. There's two down there, look like 10 millimeters. That helps a little bit. It's 12. of 10. Yep. Of course. Where'd that go? So that wasn't bad, except I lost one. See if I can find that screw. There it is. Pretty simple. Just checking out the wires a little bit. I'm just curious to see what this new one's going to look like, so just want to plug it in real quick. Looks a lot different than the other side. Let's see what the high beam looks like. Definitely looks better. Only thing I'm concerned with is it feels a little bit flimsy. But I guess it's relying on the grill being screwed back in, which I'm not really a fan of. Let's look at the old one. The old one's a little bit flimsy too. You can tell it's shot though. Do the other side. Actually, let me put this side back together. Nope. This and this. It's an eBay special here, man. Looks a little cheesy. It's silver plastic. What are you gonna do? So it seems the more fasteners you put in, the stiffer it gets. Still a little wobbly. And this should be in here. I don't know. Looks strange. See how this headlight follows this white piece, and then look at this one. See, I don't know if the adjustments are right or not, or maybe mine were off. I just don't know. Something like that, maybe. I don't know. I guess I'll find out when I try to put the grill on there. Looks like the screw's crooked. Let's do the other side. Yeah, so when I say 140 bucks, that was for both of them. Both of them, and they came with bulbs. I think that's pretty good. I don't know how long the bulbs will last, but still, it's a pretty good deal. I don't know how much longer this van's gonna last. Oh, there goes another screw. Definitely not a shocker. See where it went. There it is. Let's get Mr. Magnet. Nope, that wasn't it. I did hear it hit the floor though. Here it is, right here in front of me. Definitely worth it having a magnet. Definitely helps. Alright. 3 10mm and that should be it. Let me try to catch him this time. Tab here seems to be a little tough. There we go. I'm going to save these just in case I got to use this again. This is going in the trash. Definitely don't want these lenses. I have a feeling the grill's not going to line up. The grill screws into these and this metal bracket. Everything seems a little weird. I know this van's been in a couple accidents. A couple with me, a couple with the previous owner. Let's make sure they both work. Yes, they do. Honestly, this has to be the easiest thing I've done on this van. Everything else is a nightmare. Can't get to anything. Let's see if they line up on the door. Yeah. We'll see what happens. Have to take it for a little test ride in the dark. let's take it for a little test drive, see if there's a difference. I already notice a huge difference. Couldn't see anything projected way up. Alright. That was on high beam, that's why. But now a huge difference with the low beam. I can actually see in front of me now. Before it was nothing. High beam's even better. I may need to adjust them a little bit. The grill wasn't that hard to put back on. I should have videoed that. I want to go down here and I want to get out and look at it, make sure I'm not blinding people. I hate that at night. People driving around, their headlights aren't adjusted properly and they're blinding you. It's brutal. Let's see what they look like. Pretty good. I'm sure you can't really tell on the camera, but they're not blinding me. If I squat down, still not blinding me. But you see all this projected area here lit up? I had none of that before. They look pretty good. I'm just a little concerned with this. Before, the headlight was out here, and it looks like it could angle this way some, but what are you gonna do? I think I'm gonna leave them like that for now.